Hi, I'm Johnny and I'm here to tell you about Totally Wicked's new vape recycling scheme. We're excited to announce that we've teamed up with recycling company Veolia to provide a service where vapers can return used vapes to over 150 Totally Wicked stores nationwide. The single-use vapes have soared in popularity in recent years, but they've created a significant amount of waste if they're not disposed of responsibly. So stay tuned to find out how we're helping to combat the issue and exactly how the Wicked recycling programme works. So the first thing you might be wondering is, where can you take your used disposable vapes to be recycled? Well, over 100 of our Totally Wicked stores in the UK accept used disposable or refillable vapes for recycling. You can find your nearest shop on the store finder on the Totally Wicked website. So simply bring your used units in, pop them in the collection box on the counter and we'll take it from there. So what type of vapes can you return to Totally Wicked stores? Well, basically any. Whether it's disposable vapes or rechargeable vapes, if you're disposing of them, then you can do it properly via Totally Wicked. We'll accept any brand of vape, no matter where you bought it from. Now, of course, it's important to know what happens to these used vapes, so here's what happens once you've dropped them off. At the end of each day, our in-store teams will transfer the used vapes to a fire retardant drum so they can be stored safely ahead of collection. Our recycling partners Veolia then collect the waste from each store and take it to their dedicated recycling point. So, who is Veolia? Veolia is a transnational waste management organisation and one of only a handful of approved authorised treatment facilities that can recycle vape products effectively. Now, this involves recycling valuable components and returning them to the manufacturing supply chain. You never know, parts of your used vapes could be given a new lease of life as part of your future electric car. The Wicked recycling programme will help to reduce the environmental impact of disposables, but if you're a disposable vaper and want to go one step further, then why not switch to a more sustainable device? The Volts range is specifically designed as a more sustainable set of products which provide a similarly convenient and intense flavour experience as disposables. Ask a team member about Volts next time you're dropping your used batteries off in your local Totally Wicked store. Thanks for watching, and remember to pop in and drop in to recycle those disposable vapes responsibly.